Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create custom directive. Custom directive can be attribute type or can be structural type. So let's generate directive. To generate directive, we need to use CLI command ng generate directive and directive name. So it will generate a file with structure like this. So by default, it will import directive class from Angular code, and we have a selector by which we will apply the selector on the element, and here we are going to customize whatever we want. So let's start with a attribute custom directive. In next video we will do a structural directive. So this is my application and my task is I want to generate a file, correct? So CLI command you can run ng-d directive name. Here I am generating with inbuilt generator and I am giving my name is my dir. So this will be my directive. So you can see the structure. When you are creating this file, the directive file, you need to register it in the module. So declarations, you can see I have the my module directive. So once you came here, you can see I have this directive and the selector I need to apply on the HTML file. So this is my element. I want to pass here the directive and I want to see some style, correct? So for that I need to import few things. First is I need to import element ref. So element ref, it will be used to get the element from the DOM. Second is I am calling after view init lifecycle hook. This lifecycle hook runs only after the completely installation of the view. So when you import these three classes, then you need to create an instance for element ref. So I'm taking instance private ref. Element ref. Then what you have to do is you have to call ng after view init method, and in this method I want to give some styles. So whenever I am using this directive, this app my dir directive, it will apply some colors to the element wherever it is applied. So this dot ref dot native element, this is the method which catches the data. Dot style dot color, I'm passing it as the red. Oops. Similarly, one more attribute I will add. You can see the color automatically changes, right? Background color also I can add. Background color, and it will be yellow. So this is how we are applying. If you will go to use another tag, suppose I am taking a p tag. Okay. Hello, and I am passing the directory. You can see it is applying. So this is how we are creating attribute directive. In next chapter we will learn how to create structural directive. So link you will get in YouTube description. Thank you.